Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wanted to launch your own website but the hosting's expensive, today I'm gonna show you how to host a free website. Yep, step by step. No coding, super easy. And stick till the end, cause I'll show you how you can try Hostinger's plan for free 30 days. And if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime and get all your money back. So you got nothing to lose. Step 1, pick a free hosting option. So first thing, let's talk options. If you want to go completely free, there are platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, and Infinity Free. They let you host small projects or personal sites without paying a team. But here's the catch. They come with some limits. No professional customer support, limited storage or bandwidth. Sometimes you get ads on your sites. So if you just want to test things out, those are fine. But if you want your site to look pro and load fast, you might want to check Hostinger's free trial plan. Get to that in a second. Step 2. Sign up on free host. Alright, let's do a quick demo with Infinity Free. Head over to infinityfree.net, click sign up for free. Just enter your email, create a password, and boom, you got a free account. From there, you can upload your website files or use the website builder if you don't have coding skills. See? No coding, no stress. Step 3. Use website builder. Now, if you don't even have a website yet, don't worry. Most pre-hosts have builders where it just drag and drop steps. You can pick a template, add your text, images, change colors, and done. It's literally like making a PowerPoint slide deck but online. Step 4. Free domain options. Okay, quick note on domains. With pre-hosting, you easily get a subdomain like mywebsite.infinityfree.com. If you want to look professional, you need your own domain like mywebsite.com. That's where Hostinger shines, cause they give you cheap domains along with hosting. Step 5. Hostinger pre-trial. Now let's talk about Hostinger's option I mentioned earlier. Hostinger is one of the best body Hostinger providers out there. Fast, reliable, and you get customer support 24/7. The cool part, they give you a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can sign up, use it like crazy, and if you feel it's not for you, just cancel and you get all your money back. So technically that's a free trial with no risk. Perfect if you want to taste a pro-level hosting without actually paying a long term. Step 6. Connect domain plus WordPress. Inside Hostinger, setup is super easy. Choose a plan, register a domain, or connect your own. One click install WordPress, pick a theme, or boom, your site's live. You don't need coding, you don't need tech skills. It's all step by step on the dashboard. So you got two options. Go 100% free with platforms like Infinity Free, Netlify, or GitHub Pages. Or try Hostinger with a 30-day free trial. Test everything out and cancel it if you don't need it. Either way, you can host your website today without spending a ton of cash. Alright guys, that's it for this vid. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere. I'll be happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.